Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Quotex and confirming you have enough balance and margin to place a pending trade. Next, pick the exact asset and time frame you want to trade, then switch the order type to pending so you can control the entry price. Now set your desired entry price and choose buy or sell based on your analysis. This matters because pending orders lock a target entry rather than executing immediately. Once done, verify expiration and volume so your order matches risk parameters. You now configure the detailed settings that make the pending trade effective. Set the trigger price precisely and pick how long the order should remain active. This prevents stale entries when market conditions change. Then adjust stake, leverage, and attach stop loss and take profit to define risk-reward. This is crucial because it automates exits. Finally, review the order preview to confirm fees, slippage tolerance, and margin effect. If something looks off, change values now instead of after execution. You place the pending order and immediately note the order ID and confirmation time so you can track it. Monitor price action and the platform feed. Make sure the market is moving toward your trigger and adjust or cancel if conditions change, because active management reduces surprises. If the order never fills, check your trigger relative to spread and market gaps and verify platform connectivity. Sometimes slippage or disconnected feeds block execution. If needed, modify trigger or re-enter with an informed tweak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.